Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tricknology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to install Ubuntu Linux on your Windows 11 computer using Subsystem Linux. So you just need to follow me. So at first you need to go to your search menu and type over there PowerShell. After done, right click on PowerShell, click on Run as Administrator. Now click on Yes. And here need to put two commands over there. So I will give you the command on my video description. So first one is for wsl1 and second one is wsl2. So I will copy the first one and right click over there. It will paste automatically, as you can see. After that, press enter. Now copy the second one. Now paste it over there and press enter. After done, you have to restart your computer. Okay, so after restart your computer, you just need to go to your search menu and type over there PowerShell and right click on Windows PowerShell and click on Run as Administrator. After done, click on Yes. Now you have to put this command, which is set the default version to wsl2. Okay. So just right click and it will paste it over there. So just press enter. As you can see, the operation completed successfully. Now what you have to do, you just need to go to your Microsoft Store, and also you can go through your search. Just go to search and search over there Microsoft Store, and after that search over there Ubuntu. Now install. You will get two version over there, 20 and 18. So I will install latest one, 20 LTS. And after that, click on install. So as you can see, it's downloading. So you have to wait for a few minutes. So after download Ubuntu 20.04, you just need to go to this website, which is for WSL2 Linux kernel update. So go to this website and click on this WSL Linux kernel update package. So click over there. So as you can see, one AMSI package is downloading. So I have to wait for a few seconds. So after download completed successfully, you just need to click on this WSL update and you have to install this one on your computer. So after done, just try to open Ubuntu. And now as you can see, it is installing, so you have to wait for a few minutes. So you have to put your username. In my case, I am putting here Tricknology. And the new password is 123, whatever you can put over there. After done, as you can see, I have logged in through Tricknology successfully. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comment down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.